Okay, a little follow-up to our video on the yellow birds. We'll call this the Yellow Birds and Zen. And so here we have a number line consisting of a lot of points on this number line. If we attach a unit to it, then we can talk about the distance between a couple of points. Here we have a timeline that consisting of moments, and if we attach a unit to that, we can talk about the amount of time that goes by between a couple of moments. But just in general, for the timeline about moments right here, if there's any particular moment, there's no next moment beyond that. Between any two moments, an infinite number of moments go by, but at any moment we can't find the next moment because of the infinite subdivisibility of these number lines like this. So that idea that between any two moments there's an infinite number of other moments gives me a way to understand things that I see outside of mathematics. And one story I heard a long time ago is this. There's a Zen master and he's walking along a narrow path on a very steep mountain and he's a couple thousand feet up in the air. He turns the corner on the path and encounters a tiger. As soon as the tiger sees him, the tiger charges him. Just as the tiger lunges for him, the Zen master sees a little patch of strawberries and he reaches for the strawberries. So I could never figure this out because he's about to die. The tiger's just lunged towards him. Why is he reaching for the strawberries? Well, maybe the idea is this. Between the moment that the Zen master sees the strawberries and the moment when the tiger actually gets to him, an infinite number of other moments go by. So maybe the Zen master doesn't want to waste any of those infinite moments right there worrying about what happens when the tiger gets to him. And that's why him, living in the moment, reaches for the strawberries. I don't know. That's just a way for me to look at it, to be able to understand it a little bit better. Let's extend the story a little bit. Suppose that as the Zen master reaches down for the strawberries, at the same time the tiger lunges for him, the tiger misses him and goes over the cliff. Now the tiger's falling towards the earth. The tiger's going to end up dying. If the tiger's living in the moment, he might think he's flying. So it reminds me of the song from the movie Crazy Heart. Sometimes falling feels like flying just for a little while.